Hello and welcome to the WordPress Tutor. My name is John Ramos, and in today's video we are going to install WordPress SEO by Yoast. Now, for those of you who have not heard of WordPress SEO by Yoast, it's spelled Yoast, Y-O-A-S-T, kind of like toast but with a Y. And what it is a plugin for WordPress that allows you to optimize your pages, posts, and even images and anything else you write in WordPress so that your pages and your posts are optimized for, let's say, Google or any other search engine, so that your pages are easy to find. And let's say you have some great content and you want people to actually find it. WordPress SEO by Yoast is a great plugin to help you do that. And for those of you who are not familiar with search engine optimization, basically what it is when you create a page on the internet, you want to give certain values and words to that page so that the search engine, let's say somebody types in iPod or iPad, Google's crawler search engine looks for anything that has the words iPod or iPad in it, and it actually looks at what we call metadata, or data that's stored in a page that people can't really see, but it's in the page, and it's for the search engines to crawl and find your page. Now, there's techniques and tips and tricks on the best way to do it. I find that Yoast is very straightforward. It gets the job done, and it's not too much hassle, and it gets me from getting so deep in search engine optimization that I get lost in that whole field. So basically, it's a great plugin and it's very easy to use. So to start off, this is going to be fairly quick. It's just a tutorial on how to install the plugin. So first, I'm going to go to velveteenwebdesign.com/sites and test site. This is where I've set up my site for these videos, and I want to go into the back end. Now, if I didn't want to go into the back end, I'd just hit enter, but I want to go into the back end, so I type in wp-admin and hit enter. Okay, I was already logged in, so it just brought me straight to the admin page. If you're not logged in, you'll have to put your username and password. Okay, so now I'm going to go to plugins right over here to the left and click on plugins. Plugins are extra features you can add to your WordPress website. And I'm going to, I've already had it installed, so I'm going to deactivate it and delete it. Okay, and yes, delete these files. Just ignore this process for a minute. I just deleted it because I already had it installed. So I'm going to click on, right now I'm in plugins, so we'll click on plugins. We're going to click on add new, and we're going to type in Yoast, Y-O-A-S-T, Y-O-A-S-T. And it's the first one here. Now, just so you know, one thing I always do when installing a plugin is check the rating right over here. If it's 5 stars, that's the best. This has 4.5, which is really good. You can click on details and find out more about the plugin. Based on 3,372 ratings, that's really good. You can see installation, screenshots, changelog, FAQ, basically anything about the plugin, and you can go to the home page. Now, let's say you wanted a certain plugin, like a Facebook plugin or Instagram. There's a lot of plugins out there, so just make sure you check out the rating, see what other people have had to say about it before you make your decision. Some plugins are not very useful, and sometimes they can break your site. So basically, I'll go through the process of installing Yoast. I trust this plugin. I see that it's gotten some good ratings, and I've used it myself, so I know it's good. So click install now. Click OK, and it'll just take a moment. And once you install the plugin, to have it work, you need to click on activate plugin. Okay. Now we're back at the plugin page. Now here it is right here, WordPress SEO. The first true all-in-one SEO solution for WordPress, including on-page content analysis, XML sitemaps, and much more. Now, we know it's activated because we have the deactivate option right here. This can be very useful when you're developing. This is more kind of down the line, more advanced topic. But when you're developing and you have a couple plugins, and let's say your WordPress website breaks, you can deactivate the plugin by clicking here, and sometimes that fixes things because having certain plugins together sometimes causes conflicts, and sometimes you need to deactivate certain plugins to have your WordPress website work correctly. That's more down the line, it's more advanced. As you can see, I don't have too many plugins, so my WordPress site is fine. It's working correctly. So basically that's all there is to it, to installing WordPress SEO by Yoast. In the next sections, I will show you exactly what the plugin does and how it can help you optimize your pages and posts for the search engines. Thanks for watching. I am the WordPress Tutor, and I will see you in the next video.